Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your request pa Masagri channel. A faith eater o Zomatarder. So ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month April 1 hanggang April 7 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides sa ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos of this. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalaing kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik liglig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice ng ating spirit for the sign of? For the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, let's see, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Wow, this is a star card representing recovery, healing. No, it's all about healing guys. No, there's a wish fulfillment. So ano man yung mga bagay, pangharap mo, maaaring may sa katuparan mo na. Wow, there's a sun card with a pure positive outcome. Ang ganda, there's something line up. No, unti-unti nang talagang malalantadan ang magagandang kapalaran para sa iyo na magtutupad at magbibigay pagbangon mula sa bagong simula. Ay, pasabog ka dito. And this is something guys with the 7 of Cups, no? Maaring there's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. Oh my God! There's something, the star, the moon, and the star, the sun, the moon line up. Oh my God! There is a lot of pasabog coming in, no? And this is something, a big multiple opportunity coming in for you. Additional messages. And there's a tower moment for a major changes, no? Ang laking pagbabago na magaganap sa inyong tahanan, sa inyong buhay, no? Maaring binago kayo dito ng ating pong may kapal, no? Binigyan kayo ng panibagong simula. And there's an Emperor that you are being maturity, no? Nag-mature ka na, at lalong pinatibit, pinalakas ka na dito ng ating Angel Spirit, no? And of course, parang you have an authority, no? To use your knowledge, to use your experiences, na parang hindi ka na nila nasasabotahe. And this is something, the Hermit card, something like, something enlightenment. So, may mga bagay na magliliwanag sa'yo about the spiritual awakening, no? Unti-unti magbibigay ng kaalaman sa'yo to, at pagtuklas sa mga bagay-bagay na magdadala sa ng katuparan, no? At unti-unting kagalingan. Ay, let's see what is the Sun card. Represent with the word girl. Pasabag. Makakapag-travel ka talaga around the world. Now, there's something travel international. Ano makakapag-ibang mensahe na makakapag-trabaho ka sa international. And there's something, the Sun card represent a pure positivity that brings you a success, accomplishment. What is the 7 of Cups? Represent what? Represent with the 2 of Cups, the partnership. No, maraming bagay or kaugnayan dito about sa partnership. No, marami ako nakikitang makikipag-usap ka with other people na there's a lot of transactions, no, customer, client, like that. Let's see what is the Moon card. Ano yung talagang ibabahagi at talagang ilalantad dito? There's an 8 of Wands for a lot of message, phone call, messages, and there's something, an email, and there's a travel, guys, no? Talagang there's a past communication, guys, no? Bibilis talagang takbo ng sitwasyon. Na itong bagay na to talagang bubulabog sa'yo. Let's see what is the Tower moment. Represent with the Ace of Swords, the breakthrough, nasungkit mo ang corona, no? Alam nyo, guys, there's something, guys, kumbaga ginuho, no? Parang may sumubok sirain ang iyong buhay, ang iyong tahanan, no? Pero nasungkit mo. Nakita mo yan kung paano sirain? Then of course nalaglag, then of course nasungkit mo pa rin, no? At ngayon suot-suot mo na siya ang corona, ang crown na yan na magsisilbing power mo. Ganon. My God, pasabog ka dito. So, let's see. One more card for Emperor. For clarification. Bakit nandito sa Emperor representing the Three of Swords? No, maraming tao talaga naiinggit sa'yo. No, kaya ka binitray. No, kasi gusto nila makuha yung power mo. Yung bagay na meron ka. Ay, yun pala yun. Let's see what is the Star card because the Hermit card. Represent with the Empress card. A second chances. No, there's something I love yourself. No, ito na yung panahon ng pagkakataon para makalimutan yung sarili mo. No, para alagaan mo yung sarili mo. No, there's an Empress card for new beginning and blessing coming in for you. What is the Sun card there? Because the World card. Represent with the Queen of Wands. Confident. No, lakas naman loob mo, lakas naman pakiramdam mo dito. Kasi there's something, guys, with a new beginning talaga coming in for you. No, magbibigay ng panibagong pag-asa sa ito. What is the Seven of Cups? Because the Two of Cups. No? And there's a Four of Swords by intuitions. No, ibig sabihin dito more on pahinga ka muna for a meantime. Pahinga, and of course, magdasal, no, at the same time. Makinig sa intuitions and of course go up feeling mo. What is the Moon card? Because the Eight of Wands. Represent with a Magician. God, it's a power of God talaga. No, it's a power of God na ma-reveal lahat sa'yo. No, ilalantatin, babahagi sa'yo mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Ito na yon. No, ipapakita na sa'yo lahat. Ang katuparan sa matagal mo nang inaasam. There's the Tower moment because the Ace of Swords with the represent with the Eight of Cups for moving forward. Makaka-move on ka na. No? Makakaalaya, makakawala ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay pangyayari sa buhay mo na nagbigay sa'yo ng sakit at pagkasira. Let's see what is the Emperor because the Three of Swords. Represent with the Justice card. Hustisya. No, don't you worry, karma is waving. So, binabahagi dito na sino man mga taong naiinggit sa'yo, sino man taong pilit kang sinira, pilit kang sinisira, huwag kang mag-alala. No, babalik sa kanila yung mga bagay na gusto nilang mangyari sa'yo. No, lahat ng bagay na yan, makakamtan nila kung ano man yung bagay na ginawa nila sa'yo. Consequences. What goes around, comes around. So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang pinaka-outcome is the Two of Swords. There is a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo mag-decision dito. And of course, there's a high business, something in the hidden agenda, hidden enemy. So, ibig sabihin may misteryo dito sa likod nito. Kaya kailangan na alam mo, lakasan mo ang pakiramdam mo. No? Use your knowledge and abilities. And there's a Six of Cups. No? May hidden agenda pa rin itong person na to. No? There is something, a past person na maaaring manumbalik at bumalik. No? But definitely, guys, there's a 6-1 for a victory is yours. So, magtatagumpay ka. No? Meron sila ditong susubukan pa ulit kung mag-work yung gagawin nilang eksena. But there's a Two of Pentacles. You are also being a balance. Balance ka na physical, mental, emotional. So let's see what is additional messages for finances and career. There is an Knight of Swords with the success driven. Na maaaring magiging matagumpay ka na at bibilis ang takbo ng eksena. There's the Lovers. Represent, guys, with a love life, no? Meron talaga dito about sa love life with a partnership, pagdating sa business, pagdating sa negosyo, pagdating sa trabaho, maaaring related sa young person mo. And there's a Five of Swords, nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, no? Dahil din sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Kumbaga, naabuso ka, gato ganyan, maging away ka. What is the additional messages na pagdating sa love life? There's a Queen of Swords, clear the boundaries. Linisin nyo yung mga bagay na makakasama sa inyong dalawa na person mo. Sa mga taong magbibigay ng komplikasyon sa inyo. And there's something that Nine of Pentacles with the security, maging secure ka pagdating sa finances. Okay, so there's something na security, no? Kailangan maging secure ka pagdating sa love life. No, hindi pwedeng no? Hindi ka pwedeng basta iso-surrender lahat yan. No, hindi mo pwedeng ganon. Kailangan pangalagaan, proteksyonan mo. At linisin mo yung mga bagay na magsisilbing balakid pagdating sa relasyon. No, kasi maraming tutol dyan maraming akad lang. And there's a Knight of Swords, nagkakaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights, na pagdating sa love life, maaari nag-iisip ka, or either yung person mo, cross-watcher out there. So let's see additional messages about sa health. And there's an Ace of Cups. Now, there's something about talaga connected with your love life and finances. Now, there's something blossoming, maaring maging maganda na ang iyong kalusugan at ang iyong relasyon. Kailangan maging aware ka lang, ha? Sa mga gagawin mong action pagdating sa health mo, iwasan mo yung mga bawal. Iwasan mo yung mga kasama sa iyo. There's the King of Cups. You are also supported and devoted. Maganda naman pala ang kalusugan mo. So, kailangan mo lang magpahinga ng maayos muna, no, for a meantime. Mag-ingat ka, no? Huwag kang magbibigay ng kahit anong impormasyon kasi isa sa nagiging balaki dito yung stress. And of course, anxiety. So, kailangan huwag kang padadala ng kung ano iniisip mo. So, let's see. What is the initial messages with an angel spirit? Okay, so let's see what is additional messages with a magical fairy messages represent what? Excuse me. Oh my God. Okay, there's an Empress card represent what? Okay, there's an Empress. Express your individuality. Ano, kailangan ipakita mo sa sarili mo or sa ibang tao, no, kung sino ka talaga. Diba? Hindi pwedeng minamaliit-maliit at minamata-mata ka. And there's a connect with the nature. So, kailangan mo dito, guys, na mag-refresh, no? Kailangan mo na sariwang hangin, no? Air cruise ng beach, no? Para at least maliwanagan ka, no? At talaga may mental health mo. And there's a winter with the answer you need is coming. No? Talaga masasagot talaga lahat ng katanungan mo dito. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? For an Empress card, or for a Yin and Yang Oracle card, there's a shadow side with a Moon card, no? There's something a truth reveal. So, lahat talaga, unti-unting may lalabas dito, even your comfort zone. No? Kailangan mo kumulat sa mga bagay na kinakatakutan mo. And there's a detachment. No? Kailangan mong, magkaroon ng distansya. No, sa minsan nang sinira ka, sa minsan nang parang nawalan ka na ng gana, no? And there's a higher self with us, something activated, no? Maaring mas lalawak na spirituality mo, mas lalo mo na parang mauunawaan lahat na nangyayari behind the scenes. So let's see what is the synchronicities. There's a princess, some of you guys, no? May princess dito, guys. Maaring anak mo to, no? Maaring prinsesa ang anak mo dito. And there's a protecting love, no? May maaring pinoprotection ng mga pag-ibig dito. Or maaring princess yung person mo to. No? Parang tinuturo mo siyang princess, like that. And there's a soulmate connection. Maaring soulmate kayo ng person mo. What is the initial messages with romance angels? Represent what? Represent with an enemy. See? Meron talaga ditong kalaban. Now, watch your back. Kailangan mong mag-pay attention. And there's a competition. Meron talaga nakikipag-kompetensya sa'yo dito. And there's a changes. Na unti-unti na magbabago lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. Diba? Mag-ingat ka. Meron talaga nakikipag-compete sa'yo. Just be aware. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And of course, guys, there's your inner guidance is really trustworthy. No? Yung mga gabay mo, mapagkakatiwalaan mo naman daw. And energy healing works. No? Kumbaga, unti-unti ka nang gagaling sa iyong mga karamdaman. At talaga nag-work talaga yung pagdarasal mo, no? Let's see what is an angel's number. Represent what? And angel's number represent or reconsider. So, kailangan mo rin i-consider yung lahat na nangyayari na to ay may aral yan, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo i-reconsider. And communicate clearly. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate na maayos. Was to tama. And there is a listen to intuition. Makinig ka sa intuitions mo. No? Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? Okay, so let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a portal, doors are opening, guys, no? Magbubukas sa panibagong chapter dito pagdating sa spiritual, no? Talagang unti-unti mo na matutupad at makukuha lahat ng mga bagay na iyong inaasam. And you got the love, set the boundaries, diba? Kung kailangan depensahan mo ang iyong relasyon, ang iyong sarili, at ang iyong buhay, pamilya, depensahan mo. Let's see what is the Romance Angel represent what? And past life relationship. So, some of you guys, no? Nasa isang past life relationship ka ngayon. Kumbaga, nakasama mo na itong person mo, sa nakaraang buhay mo, there's a very soon na maaring, kumbaga, magkakaroon ulit kayo ng second chances. No? Na maaring bigyan ulit ng pangalawang pagkakataon na magkaroon kayo ng time sa isa't isa. No? At magkasama for the chakra messages. And there's an isolation. You're feeling isolated, guys. Not that because of this situation. Parang pili mo nakakulong ka sa isang sitwasyon. There's an abundance and discovery. No? Unti-unti mo naman madidiscover lahat ng bagay. No? Lahat ng bagay na nakatago, lahat ng mga bagay na hindi mo pa lubos na nauunawaan, unti-unti mo yung maliliwanagan. And there's a perfection. No? Kumbaga, ngayon magiging gusto mo naka-organize lahat, gusto mo okay na lahat, no? Natatakot ka na magkamali, natatakot ka na ulit magkaroon ng komplikasyon. And there's a perseverance. Kailangan mo magtiyaga sa lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo. Let's see. Okay, so let's see what is additional messages. And there's a forgiveness. No, meron ditong kailangan mo ng kapatawaran, no? At may mga bagay na kailangan mo pagpatawad dahil ito ay magbibigay ng blockages sa'yo. And there's a discipline, kailangan mo ng disiplina. No, hindi pwedeng ura-urada, hindi bira-birada, kailangan mo disiplinahin yung sarili mo, yung sitwasyon mo. No, yung mga bagay na nakagawian mo, kailangan na mabago yon. Dahil doon na abuso ka. And there's a water there by your emotion. No? Siguro masyado kang generous sa lahat ng bagay. No, kaya ito, parang naabuso ka. And of course, mababa ang loob mo. And there's a violet with the spirituality. No, kailangan mataas ang spirituality mo dito. No, palawakin, lakasin mo ang iyong spiritual abilities. Let's see what is Arcang Herapael. Children's. Some of you guys may mga anak na kayo, no? Maaaring ito yung purpose mo. What is additional messages? There's a study. No, marami ka pang bagay na dapat matutunan. No? At tuklasin. There's an option, there's a lot of multiple choices. What is additional messages with an energy? Energy represented with a walking away. See, kailangan nyo na talagang umalis-alis, no? Kumawala dyan sa mundo na yan, nasa paligid mo. And there is a rest and rejuvenate. At yung sinasabi ko, kailangan yung pahinga, no? Alagaan mo yung mental health mo. Huwag masyadong nag-iisip. Okay, let's see what is the Monsology. Emotional running high. So, magiging emotional ka this time, guys. No? And there is a war through your fears. Laban namin takot at pangamba mo dito. And this is something you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para matupad yung mga pangarap mo. Let's see what is a Jesus-loving quote said. A Jesus-loving quote said, watch and pray that you enter not into temptation, no? Magdasal ka, tignan mo na mailayo ka sa mga tukso at mga bagay na makakasama sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka, kasi para matitrigger ka dito, gumawa ng hindi maganda. Kaya mag-iingat ka, ha? Huwag kang malagay sa tukso at hindi magandang eksena. What is the angel's number? Represent what? 1144 high vibes. Love or other happiness lurks just around the corner. It will be something much better than in your wildest dream. A rare opportunity is an exciting encounter with like-minded people and it will exceed your expectation. No, mahalin mo lang, gawin mo yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Lahat ng mga bagay na yan magtutupad sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap mo. No? Keep going, guys. No, wag kang papatinag. What is the messages of life? A messages of life represent never alone. So, hindi ka nag-iisa dito, ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. My bond with the God and angels is a flame that illuminates my heart regardless of the darkness around me. This is a bond that is the foundation of my inner strength. It's allowed me to go on, having faith that all things will fall into divine order for my greatest benefit. I ask the universe for guidance, knowing I will always receive its help and protection. Today, the sun will arise and shine for me. I am never be alone. Alam mo sa sarili mo mag-grow ka. Alam mo sa sarili mo hindi ka papabayaan. Alam mo sa sarili mo, lahat ng bagay na to ay instrumento ng ating Panginoon para ka hubugin, para malaman mo ang kahalagahan ng mga bagay sa paligid mo. No? At doon mo makikita na unti-unti nang babaguhin yung bagay na nakagisnan mo at yung mga bagay na nakagawian mo tungo sa bagong simula at panibagong bukas. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 1 hanggang April 7 for the sign of Aquarius. Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the notification bell for more videos of this. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, saway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapalisiksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you the next video. Bye-bye and babush!